Hello there one and all, and welcome to this live stream video for the property that is right in front of you here. This is in Paddick Drive in Lower Earley, and it is ideally located for both the local shops, schools, and not far from the motorway. I'm just turning slightly around slowly to give you an idea of the area as well. So to reach to this property here, you've got this lovely private driveway for three, four houses only, and then on the other side is this lovely play park. So lots of open field space as well. Just slowly turning around. One thing you will realise with this home here is just how quiet it is around here, which is fantastic, even though you're only a short drive away from the motorway and main roads. So with it being a detached property, you do have a side gate, side access here, and the current owners have opened the gate up for us to give us an idea, and I'll show you the garden in just a moment. You'll see here that there's a log store for the log burner that's inside. So without further ado, let's head on in to this wonderful family home. So with these being a live part here, you can ask me questions and I will do my best to answer them. I can see we've had a question in already. In what direction does the front door face? That's a very good question, and I am just going to double check that now for you. But while I'm checking, we'll head on through. So with this entrance hallway, you have some electric underfloor heating to keep you nice and warm in the mornings. And then just past the hallway is the first of the two reception rooms. So this one here, just reconnecting. Wonderful things with modern technology, fantastic until it stops working. So this here, nice and spacious, currently being used as a home office. Just standing in the corner to give you an idea. It's real wood floor as well, which is fantastic. And then plantation shutters over the windows, and you'll notice those throughout the property as well. And then you've got this large hanging, this large wardrobe here, lots of hang space, lots of storage space as well throughout. Now the owners do want me just to say that they apologise if there's any mess in there, but I think we're all fine. So from the hallway, this is just on the left hand side, opposite the stairs going on up, but we'll carry on looking downstairs at the moment. For the question in regards to what way the front door faces, I will have to get that double checked for you. Unfortunately, my compass isn't working at the moment. Bit frustrating, but I'll soon get back to you on that one there. So you've got a nice big coat room on one side, and on the other side, if we didn't know already, it is helpfully labelled, and it is the downstairs WC. And it's been well put in there. The designer, when he came in to do it, was 6'4" and was able to stand in no problem. I'm 6'3" and I certainly don't hit my head or anything like that. So, leaving the WC, just turn that light off. So you've got the extractor fan, you could probably hear that in there. To your left-hand side is the second study, or the home office, if you're going to use the front room as a reception room. So this is the study or home office, and you can see there all the plug sockets ready for you to work. A couple of small windows in at the top, and certainly has room for all your office needs in there. And again, it's the hardwood floor. So through to the reception room, and it has these lovely bifold doors which lets loads of light in. And I am very sorry about the internet connection. My apologies on that one there. Unfortunately, I've got all the gear, but not too sure if I'm using it correctly, so I do apologise on that one there. So with this reception room, it's a lovely good size, and here's the log burner, hence why we've got the log store out there. It is probably from my end, I'm afraid. It could well be my mobile. I do apologise on that one there. I am trying my best. So with this here, you've got these lovely bifold doors, lets lots of light in, and certainly on a summer's day, open this up to have a sort of outside in. But one thing with this room here as well, which I love, is if I just spin up, is this lovely high ceiling, this sort of gabled end, which is beautiful. Really well done, lets loads of light in, gives a real sensation of space and air, and it really goes well with the home. So what we'll do now is we'll head on through. So this is your kitchen and breakfast room. So all the appliances are Neff, and it is a Wren kitchen as well, so high end. And there's this lovely seating area down here. They've currently got the bench in, which is fantastic. I think it works really well. Again with the plantation shutters on that one there, looking out over the play park. And if I spin around here, kitchen here, quartz tops on here. You've got filtered tap as well. It's an induction hob. You've got space here for the big style American fridge freezer, and then double oven as well. Extractor fan, and you can see here it is all Neff, it's all high end. We've then got this sliding door here, which is the opaque glass, and then this is the utility area. As you can see here, space carries on, high quality carries on through for it all. And there's space there for a washing machine and tumble dryer, and then you've got lots of storage cupboards as well. To let extra light in, there is a Velux roof window in, and then we've got rear access to the garden. So we'll just head on out. Okay, so in here, which is currently locked up, is the cabin. So just trying to show you in there. So it's a really good space. It's partially insulated. There is electric in there, and certainly people do go out and enjoy it. I think there is a TV in there, and people do go out and enjoy. They put it in there because they wanted somewhere that they could escape from the kids, or put the kids in there if they wanted to escape from them when they were younger. A couple of sheds as well, and then you have a fantastic bar area here as well, with decking. And it's lovely and quiet. Obviously coming towards the end of the year, so where there's no leaves on the trees, you do notice the house behind. However, during the summer, when there's leaves on the tree, it's certainly nice and quiet, and you're not overlooked. There's your side entrance again, heading back out to the front. And there's this the patio area, outdoor tap, and outdoor electrics as well. So you've got everything there that you'd need. So what we'll do, heading back in, just locking up. So what we'll do, let's explore upstairs. And as I said, guys, feel free to ask me any questions. You can also request private viewings on the home as well, if you'd like to come and have a look. Ow. So heading on up, and what I'll do, if I take you into this bedroom here first. So all 4 bedrooms are doubles. So here's one double bedroom, and you can see double bed, plantation shutters again, lets lots of light in. But I think the plantation ones work really well. I think they look fantastic in there as well. Built-in wardrobe as well, which nowadays can be a bit of a premium. In there, lots of hang space and storage. And we can see private viewings are being requested, so do come on, do request. I hate for you to miss out. We are expecting a lot of interest in this one. So this is the family bathroom, and with the rain shower, really well done. And it's a black tile on the floor. It does look a little bit like carbon fibre, and it feels rather nice underfoot actually. Doesn't feel cold underfoot like a normal marble tile would do, but you've got a heated towel rail, toilet and sink. We've got large storage cupboard and that's your hot water bits in there. And then this here is your main bedroom. So really good sized double bedroom. You've got loads of space in here, and give you an idea of the size, you've got 4 windows, again with the plantation shutters. It's lovely and quiet, well insulated. Lots of hanging space in here as well. And then over the stairs, they've done really well. They're making it a useful space as well. If I open that slightly, you can see there, lots of hanging space, lots of storage throughout. So with the main bedroom, you do have another storage area just here. And then you have this fantastic ensuite shower room, again with a rainfall shower, done really well. White units and porcelain. And one thing I did forget to mention about the family bathroom is that it is a metal shed and not a plastic shed. Bath. Do apologise on that one there. So it is a metal bath in here as opposed to the plastic. So it's harder wearing. Coming through the other side, so this here is bedroom number 3. Again, good sized double bedroom in there. The plantation shutters out over the front and looking out over the play park. Nice and bright, really good size. And this one here has got space there. Freestanding wardrobe, but a double bed as well. And it doesn't feel claustrophobic at all. Lots of space in here. And when you look at the front, you may not expect it, but once you're in, it's a little bit like the TARDIS because it does feel so light and airy. So this is bedroom number 2, and I've called it that because, again, it has this double bedroom, space here for the double bed, loads of room in here. Again, however, and I know my daughter would certainly love this, the walk-in wardrobe. Now, when they were building this, they were thinking whether or not to put a bathroom in here. However, they felt actually they would make more use of it as a walk-in wardrobe. However, if you soon wanted to convert that into an ensuite, you would be able to relatively easily for that one there. So attic-wise, you have, because there has been extension, there is an attic here. And there is an attic here. The main attic, which is on this side here, is partially boarded, and there is a lot of space up there for storage. Probably not so much for development into the attic, however, certainly for storing suitcases, Christmas trees and the like, whereas the other one isn't boarded, and again would just be used more for storage than anything else. So walking down the stairs as well, they had the designer, who is standing over 6'4", being able to walk down without having to duck, anything like that. So it's the real attention to detail, which is what I love with this house here. So I'm coming to the end of it all now. I hope you're happy with everything. And again, I do apologise about the internet. Unfortunately, it is something that is beyond my control, I'm afraid. But if you have got any questions, do feel free to contact me. I'll do my best to answer those ones here. But I hope to show you around the home on a private viewing, because I really think it doesn't quite do it justice for that. So if there's no more questions, do feel free, give me a call, and I look forward to seeing you at the next home. You've been fantastic. Thank you so much. Take care.